Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. Today we will discuss memory recall questions of bank promotion exam. So friends, please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for bank promotion exam and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. So friends, before starting, please write 1 to 20 counting on your notebook and give the answers of the questions yourself and check your preparation level and share your score in the comment section. Please also make notes of these important memory recall questions for your future reference. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is red flagged account is one where suspicion of fraudulent activity is thrown up by the presence of one or more early warning signal. So the threshold for RFA, that is red flag account, is an exposure of rupees dash crore or more, both fund and non-fund base, to a particular borrower at the level of the bank. So friends, here you have to tell that red flag accounts are there in the bank and up to what is the threshold limit for red flag account. So what exposure if a account is having, then we consider that is a red flag account. So our options are 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, 50 crore. So let's see what is the right answer. And the right answer is D, that is 50 crore rupees. So friends, those accounts where we have the exposure of 50 crore and above, and it can be there both fund and non-fund base. So those accounts will be classified under red flag account, and whenever there will be any early warning signal, then we can get to know that there is some suspicious activity is going on in accounts. So these are the large exposure accounts. So let's see our next question, question number 2. PM SVANidhi scheme offers cash back up to rupees dash per annum on undertaking prescribed digital transaction. So friends, you all would be knowing PM SVANidhi scheme. So this is the latest scheme, and here you have to tell, here you have to give the answer that how much cashback is available in PM SVANidhi scheme if the vendors are taking the digital transaction. Our options are 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1200 rupees. So let's see what is the right answer. And the right answer is D, 1200 rupees. So friends, PM SVANidhi scheme में जो cashback है that is 1200 rupees per annum. So this is a very important scheme as exam point of view. Let's see some of the points of this. So, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launched a scheme, Prime Minister Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. So this scheme is launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So this question can also be asked which ministry has launched. So you can give the answer Ministry of Urban and Housing and Urban Affairs. So, to empower street vendors by not only extending loans to them, but also for their holistic development. So, here you all know that we have 10,000 rupees loan. Okay, so this loan is a collateral free working capital loan. Okay, and 1 year tenor is there, and to approximately 50 lakh street vendor to help resume their business in the urban areas, including surrounding peri-urban or rural areas. Okay, so our next point is the PM Swandhi scheme offers incentive in the form of first is interest subsidy at the rate 7% per annum on regular repayment of loan. So friends, जो भी regular repayment करेंगे उन्हें 7% per annum का interest subsidy मिलेगा. And next is cashback up to 1200 rupees, and that already we have in the question. So 1200 rupees per annum cashback is provided to them if they undertake digital transaction, and if they do this, then they are also eligible for enhanced next tranche of loan. So let's see some more points. So the PM Sonidhi scheme is available to all street vendors who are engaged in the vending in urban areas as on or before March 24, 2020. So this date you have to remember, 24th March 2020. So the eligible vendor are identified as per the following criteria. So how we will identify the vendor? So these are the 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 criteria that are required if we are giving the loan to the street vendor. So first is Street vendor in possession of certificate of vending or identity card issued by urban local bodies, and the vendor who have been identified in the survey but have not been issued certificate or identity card, provisional certificate of vending would be generated for such vendor through an IT based platform, and ULB are encouraged to issue such vendors the permanent certificate of vending and identification card immediately and positively within a period of 1 month. And third is street vendor left out of the ULB led identification survey or who have started vending after completion of the survey and have been issued letter of recommendation to that effect by the ULB or town vending committee. And fourth is the vendor of the surrounding development or peri-urban or rural area vending in the geographical limits of the ULB and have been issued letter of the recommendation to that effect by the ULB or TVC. So these are the criteria. These four criteria, out of this one should be fulfilled by the street vendor. So let's see friends, our next question, question number 3. What is the maximum amount of loan that can be filed in Lok Adalat? Our options are 20 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 12 lakh. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is A, that is 20 lakh. So up to the loan of 20 lakh rupees, those claim cases we can file in Lok Adalat. Let's see our next question, question number 4. Cash payment of rupees 20,000 and above in the case of FDR is restricted under which act? So as you know friends, that we cannot make the cash payment of the FDR, fixed deposit receipt, of more than 20,000 and above. We have to transfer in the account. So it is as per which act? Our options are IT Act under section 269T, section 49A of Banking Regulation Act, section 24 of RBI Act, section 40 of Banking Regulation Act. So let's see what the right answer, and the right answer is A, that is IT Act, Income Tax Act under section 269T. So as per this act, we are not making the payment of the deposit for 20,000 and above in cash. Let's see our next question, question number 5. Current account of a private limited company is operated by finance director dies. Check signed by him is presented for payment. So here we have to see what the banker has to do. First is cannot be paid. That check cannot be paid. Can be paid if authenticated by main director. Can be paid to be returned. So let's see what is the right answer. And the right answer is C, that is can be paid. Because friends, here in private limited company, what is happening that the finance director is died, but he is not the direct authority. He is issuing the check as a agent, as a part, because the main is private limited company that is there. So if the person is no more there, this finance director, but company is presented, so we have to honor the check, so this check will be paid. Okay, so let's see our next question, question number 6. Protection to the paying bank in case of alteration in a check is available under which act? So friends, here you have to tell, लाइक प्रोटेक्शन टू द पेइंग बैंक को जो प्रोटेक्शन है अगर ऑल्ट्रेशन है चेक में, तो पेइंग बैंक को जो है वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है कौन सा एक्ट? अवर ऑप्शंस आर सेक्शन 89 ऑफ एनआई एक्ट, सेक्शन 121 ऑफ एनआई एक्ट, सेक्शन 131 ऑफ एनआई एक्ट, सेक्शन 140 ऑफ एनआई एक्ट. लेट्स सी द राइट आंसर, एंड द राइट आंसर इज ए, दैट इज सेक्शन 89 ऑफ एनआई एक्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, सेक्शन 89 के अकॉर्डिंगली जो है वी get protection, that paying bank gets the protection for the alteration in a check. So let's see our next question, question number 7. Agency which purchases NPA from bank is called ARC, NBFC, AMC, Recovery Company. So let's see what is the right answer. The right answer is A, that is ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company. Let's see our next question, question number 8. When a farmer, in addition to agriculture, is engaged in rearing of farm stock, it is called mixed farming, advanced farming, stock farming, variety farming. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is A, that is mixed farming. Our next question, question number 9. Sursai has been set up under which act? Our options are Surface Act, RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, Transfer of Property Act. And the right answer of this question is A, that is Surface Act. So this Sursai is set up under Surface Act. Let's see next question. Question number 10. In garnishee order, if amount is not mentioned, then what we have to do? No amount is attached. Ask for the amount to be attached from court. Debit balance to be attached. Entire amount is attached. So let's see the right answer, and the right answer is D. That is, entire amount is attached. So if nothing is mentioned in garnishee order, then we have to attach the entire amount in the account. Let's see our next question. Question number 11. The limit for collateral and margin free agriculture loan is rupees dash lakh. Our options are rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000, rupees 1 lakh, rupees 1 lakh 60,000. And let's see the right answer. And the right answer is D. That is rupees 1 lakh 60,000. Let's see our next question. Question number 12. In Sukanya Samridhhi scheme, interest is compounded. Our options are half yearly, yearly, quarterly, monthly. And let's see what is the right answer. And the right answer is B, that is yearly. So in Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, the interest is compounded yearly. And friends, in most all the government schemes like Sukanya Samriddhi, PPF, so there the interest is mostly compounded half yearly. Let's see our next question. Question number 13. Cash credit or overdraft account will be classified as NPA when it is not renewed within ड्यू डेट ऑफ रिन्यूअल विद इन डैश ड्यू डेट ऑफ रिन्यूअल. सो फ्रेंड्स, ड्यू डेट से कितने दिनों तक अगर हम रिन्यू ना करें, देन द सीसी अकाउंट और ओडी अकाउंट विल बी क्लासिफाइड एज एनपीए. आवर ऑप्शंस आर 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, 200 days. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is सी, दैट इज 180 डेज. तो अगर 180 डेज के लिए हम किसी भी अकाउंट को रिन्यू नहीं करते हैं उसके ड्यू डेट से, देन इट कैन बी कंसीडर्ड एज एनपीए. नेक्स्ट, लेट्स सी अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 14th question. For adaptation of scientific beekeeping, an economically viable unit would include dash bee colonies. So here how many bee colonies are required? Our options are 50, 15, 30, 45, 50. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is D, that is 50. So 50 bee colonies are required for the adaptation of scientific beekeeping. Let's see our next question. Question number 15. If a overdraft account is overdue for 61 to 90 days, then it is classified SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2, and PA. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is C, that is SMA 2. If it is overdue for 0 to 30 days, then it will be in SMA 0, and 31 to 60, then SMA 1, and 61 to 90, that is SMA 2, and after 91 onwards, it is NPA. Let's see our next question. Question number 16. Under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, PM Kisan, vulnerable land holding farmer family having cultivable culti- cultivable land up to 2 hectares will be provided direct income support at the rate of rupees dash per year. So friends, this is a scheme of this PM Kisan scheme. Under that, how much income support is given to the farmers per year? Our options are 6,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. And let's see the right answer, and the right answer is A, that is 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees per year that farmer will be getting, and this will be given in three installment, 2,000 each. So three installment will be there. Let's see our next question. Question number 17. Maximum amount of investment in sovereign gold bond by HUF. So friends, how much maximum investment HUF can do in sovereign gold bond scheme? Our options are 4 lakh, 10 lakh, oh sorry, 4 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg. Let's see the right answer, and the right answer is A, that is 4 kg. So maximum HUF can do 4 kg. So friends, the minimum investment limit for sovereign gold bond is 1 gram of gold, while the maximum limit of subscription is 4 kg for individual, and for this is same 4 kg for HUF, and 20 kg for trust and similar entities as notified by the government from time to time. Let's see our next question. Question number 18. What is the reservation or target for women beneficiary for finance under DAY-NULM? Our options are 15%, 20%, 30%, 25%. Let's see the right answer. And the right answer is C, that is 30%. So 30% is the reservation for women. Let's see our next question, question number 19. What is the negative working capital? Our options are current liability exceed current assets, current asset equals to current liability, current asset exceeds current liability, fixed asset are more than current assets. So let's see the right answer. The right answer is A, that is current liability exceed current asset. So in this case, there will be a negative working capital. Let's see our next question, question number 20. Which what charge is created in case of loan against LIC? So friends, we are giving the loan against LIC policy. So in that case, which type of charge we are creating? Our options are mortgage, assignment, lien, pledge. And let's see the right answer. And the right answer is B, that is assignment. So friends, this is a set of 20 questions, and these are the memory recall questions. And these questions have already come in previous bank promotion exam of various banks. So friends, thank you friends. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for bank promotion exam, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.